friends, another episode of Costco Keep a Return reviews. Today we have the first alert, voice and location alert for fire and CO. So this was the special for December, $20 off. So this brings it to $49. In other words, 25 bucks, which is basically a pretty good price for something that's a combination CO alarm and fire. So when I say fire, it's smoke, so it doesn't know it's a fire, it just knows there's smoke. Great thing about these, there's no battery replacement for 10 years, so it's not the replace your battery standard thing that you hear every time you change time, so this is good to have. So let's open this and let's see what's in there. Already cut this, so you don't see me struggling with this. So I'm only going to open one. So the system that you have for fire alarms usually comes with mounting plates, and some are general. So sometimes it already exists on your ceiling, and you just have to basically plug this one in and just turn it in. But basically, once you've put this on the ceiling, 2 screws, then you come in with the new one, and it just locks in place like this.
Welcome. First alert carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
So there's a little button that pushes down there. I was a bit surprised by that, but as you can see, it activates it with this thing. So before you do, there's an installed on and replaced by. It's important to put a date on there. This is the date of built 2020 October 26. So this is good until 2030. So it's pretty good. Very easy to mount. Not sure how to do the location, but as she said, she just told us what to do. So let's test it. Maybe not. Let's put it back on.
Testing.
That.
Warning. Evacuate. Smoke. Evacuate.
This is very loud.
Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
So that was a test. So, whew, very loud, which, you know, is a good thing. So with this, you also get the usual, that's funny, I only get one in the pack. I don't get two mounting screws and forget what these are called. But yeah, this is really good. If you go on Amazon, you'll probably find one for 20 bucks for just fire, or one for 10 bucks or 15 bucks or 20 bucks for the CO. So this is perfect. A pack of 2 is great because you can go put one in the kitchen and one in a bedroom. And again, there's no battery replacement. It will let you know when it's end of life, and yeah, it's overall a pretty good project. So what do we think? Is this a keep or a return? It's definitely a keep. This is safety. It's a good price. I think this is going to go back on the ceiling, or going to go on the ceiling. Very easy to install. Any DIYer with just a screwdriver or a drill can do this. So yeah, this is staying 49 bucks. right now on sale for the December and the December deals. So yeah, I would say that's a keep. All right, like and subscribe. See you at the next test.